What's up, YouTube? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am excited to share the progress on this family home we are building right here in Jamaica. It's been an incredible journey so far. I want to give you a tour of the property and show you what we have accomplished from the foundation to the beautiful iron on the veranda. This place is coming together piece by piece. So stick around and let's take a look at how this dream home is being built in the heart of Jamaica. If you are new here, do remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. In this video, we are showing a partially constructed house with the upper floor still under construction. The structure includes concrete blocks, wall with steel reinforcement bar extended upward, indicating that more levels are the roof are to expect to be added. The lower level of the house appears to be complete, which is right. Around iron railing, a burglar bar or grill around the porch or the veranda. This design suggests a residential property likely located in the tropical region. Yes, this is located in Jamaica.